Look at the sun. Instant sneeze. Why does that happen? It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and about 1 in 4 people have it. Your brain is crossing its wires, literally. When bright light hits your eyes, it triggers the optic nerve, but the trigeminal nerve sits right next to it. The signal bleeds over. Your brain thinks your nose is irritated and fires a sneeze to clear it out. It's completely genetic. If one parent has it, you have a 50% chance of having it too. Fighter pilots with this reflex can sneeze during combat maneuvers. The military actually screens for it. Comment if you're a sun sneezer. I bet you never knew why.